We have started the renewed focus on cellular health as a foundation for everything that we do. In terms of business model, if I can just explain, we're not just an MLM po anymore, actually, Miss Dina. We considered ourselves as part of the gig economy, but with
Oh,
a purpose. People pa want income, yes, but also they wanted flexibility, they wanted emotional fulfillment, they wanted personal development. And that's what our language here in Yasana is evolving. Our tools are modernizing and our support system, they are all becoming more intuitive. So we have our own learning management system that helps our associates from the day one that they been part of Yasana all throughout their journey.